Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting your system. Make a full image and a bootable recovery USB. This matters because partition errors are recoverable only with good backups. Once done, open an elevated command prompt or disk management to locate the system reserved partition and note its size and number. Make sure Windows boot files live on your OS volume. If they don't, you'll move them first. These initial steps let you proceed safely and avoid leaving the machine unbootable. Now you move boot assets, so the system will start without the reserved partition. Assign a temporary drive letter if disk management hides it, then use BCD boot to copy the Windows boot files to C. This installs a working BCD store on your OS volume. After copying, inspect BCD edit to confirm entries point to the new location, and perform a test reboot to ensure Windows boots directly from C. If it boots, you've eliminated the dependency. If not, restore the image and reevaluate. Finally, delete the system reserved partition. Confirm Windows boots from C, then use diskpart or disk management to remove the reserved volume. Once removed, immediately extend your OS partition into the freed space or create a new recovery partition for future use. Make sure to reboot and verify system stability. Troubleshooting tip: if Windows won't boot, use the recovery USB to run startup repair or restore the system image. Do not tinker further. Restore a known good state and reassess the boot file placement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.